Would you like to click one button to get free buyer traffic on demand? If yes, I've got the perfect solution for you because you're about to get your hands on a brand new software that allows you to get free buyer traffic from over 100 of the hottest traffic sources online. Free traffic has been the one thing that's taken our business from zero to thousands of dollars per day. And as we want to help as many people get results just like we've been getting over the past few years, we've decided to develop the most powerful traffic app on the internet. So, whether you're a teenager, a pensioner, or just somebody that's looking for better results online, Traffic Shark can help you achieve your goals and get you the results that you deserve. On behalf of Glenn Koski and the team, I'd like to introduce a game changer for all those in need of traffic, a real world first, the ultimate beginner solution. The brand new Traffic Shark, the biggest, the best, and most powerful traffic app you have ever seen. This is perfect for all those in need of traffic in 2022 and beyond. Traffic Shark does all the hard work for you to get free buyer traffic from over 100 of the most in-demand traffic sources online with just one single click. Free buyer traffic that's converted into $27.11 per hour into our business over and over again. Use Traffic Shark to send this buyer traffic to any link of your choice, or select one of our hand-picked 100% done-for-you magic profit links you'll find inside the software. And here's how it works. Step 1. Grab a copy before the price increases. Step 2. Log in and enter any link you want the traffic sent to, or select one of our hand-picked 100% done-for-you magic profit links. And finally, Step 3. Enjoy free buyer traffic from over 100 hot traffic sources in as little as 60 seconds. That pulls in $27.11 per hour for us. It's as easy as that. There's no technical setup required and absolutely no previous experience is required to make Traffic Shark work. This software has been named Traffic Shark for a reason. It's the animal of all traffic apps online, and it does all the hard work to help you get the traffic you need to really crush it online in 2022. And for the record, this has nothing to do with any hard work, anything difficult, creating products, creating videos, getting on camera, spamming social media, or anything else you can think of. Below, you'll see actual results from beta testers, including complete beginners already crushing it with Traffic Shark. This is your chance to make a real change in your business in 2022. Traffic Shark is the shortcut you need to crush it online. So you're probably wondering, how much is this going to cost? Now, while we plan on charging at least $197 a month for this in the near future, you won't pay anywhere close to that today. When you act now, it's just a tiny one-time investment. You'll also get multiple custom bonuses to maximize your results. Bonuses that you won't find anywhere else because no one else has them. These include even more free traffic apps and courses designed to help you succeed. And because your success is the only thing that matters, you're covered by our pro US-based support team to swiftly answer any question you may have once inside. And to make your decision a complete no-brainer, your tiny investment's protected by our industry-leading 180-day money-back guarantee. Use the app to generate free traffic for up to 6 months completely risk-free. There's only one catch. To get everything at this insanely low one-time cost, you need to act right now to take advantage of this launch deal. So if you're ready for unlimited traffic from over 100 of the hottest traffic sources online, which will enable you to crush it as an affiliate in 2022, then click below to lock in your discount immediately. Hurry, click the Add to Cart button below for instant access. Do it now before the price increases, and we'll see you inside the members area.